back to my channel. This week we're going to be doing a really fun garden project. We're going to be putting together a raised garden bed and we're going to be planting some fruits and veggies in it. I'm super excited because it is the time of year to start doing that here in Florida. It's going to get really hot in the next couple of months, so I want to make sure that our plants can root and acclimate before that happens. If you're interested in putting together a garden bed with me, then make sure to stick around and watch this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of my videos. I have new videos out every Sunday, and we are going to get right into it. This week we're partnering with Garvee to give our garden a little makeover, and I'm so excited about it. This garden bed is seriously one of those pieces that just makes gardening easier. It's a really great size. It gives you enough room to plant multiple things without it feeling crowded. It was also incredibly quick and easy to put together, which is always a bonus. And it comes with everything you need, really easily packed and ready to go. What I really like about this garden bed is that it's made from cedar wood, which feels sturdy and looks beautiful out in your yard or on your patio. It matches perfectly to the decor we already have and just gives that really nice natural feel. Cedar also holds up to the weather really well. Rotten insects don't bug it as much as other woods, which makes it the perfect material to house your future veggie garden. Having the garden bed raised is such a nice feature as well. It makes the whole thing look more intentional, and it saves you from having to kneel or bend over a garden while still getting the same effect. It makes the entire experience so much more enjoyable and makes tending to your garden a million times easier. There are also those hooks built right into the side where I can hang little tools, trowels, gloves, whatever I need, which is so convenient and just adds something special to the overall look. It comes with a liner too, which means you'll be protecting the wood and keeping all the dirt inside the plant bed where it's supposed to be. It can also hold up to 300 pounds, which is a ton of plant potential. It's the perfect piece to add to your garden or porch, and Garvee gave us a discount code for 10% off, making this the perfect time to start or revamp your garden. I'll link all their information in the description box for you guys, and let's go ahead and start planting our new fruits and veggies. video. I hope that you enjoyed putting together our raised garden bed and planting all of our new fruits and veggies with me. I'm really looking forward to seeing how they grow. We have some fruits and veggies that I've never grown before. I'm hoping that they turn out really good and that they produce a lot, but we'll see how it goes. And a big thank you to Garvee for partnering with me this week. I absolutely love the brand. I've worked with them before and they make really beautiful products. Everything is super easy to put together and it just looks really good in your home. So if you're looking for any outdoor furniture, raised garden beds, anything like that, definitely check them out. They have a really wide variety of items on their website. I will link all of their information in the description box for you guys. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on Sunday.